before we even start this video because it's giving nanny time. It's giving nanny time. Can I see the shoes? I'm putting this up to my foot crooked. It's giving nanny time. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's T here at B. Look at the hair, yes. I think this is gonna be my new signature look. But I gotta get my blonde into it because I do miss my blonde now, but yes, this looks so good. But anyway, I wanna show you guys a vacant apartment tour before I start decorating. And then I'll just kind of walk through and kind of give you guys some of the ideas I have so far for the apartment. But yes, this is kind of what's been distracting me from everything because depressed, but we're gonna get through it. We're gonna do it. Okay? We're gonna do it. Let's just get into the apartment. Okay, so here's the entryway when you first enter. It's so skinny, so I'm kind of scared because I want a big, like the modular, I think I'm saying that right, couches. You could like rearrange it to like a huge bed because listen, you know, I love movies and TVs, y'all, but I am nervous because it's kind of skinny, but also I'm trying to figure out what I want to do with this because it's so boring. Like, ugh, so I don't know. But, so here's my entryway, and then you have this coat closet here. So I'll probably just do like, of course, my coats, suitcases, stuff like that in there. And then it comes to the living room. So you can see I already did accent wall. I'm really excited. I am going to change my outlets gold. Will you see them? Probably not, but I know they're there, so we're going to change them. And then on this side, I'll mount my TV on this one, and I'll probably change those too. And then here, I'm going to put an entry table. I actually seen this thing on Amazon. It's like a double cage, but it's an entry table too. It's really cute. Now you can like try it in your apartment or whatever with Amazon with the furniture. So I did, and it didn't come out too far because I don't want to make it like too tight where you got to like walk all the way around and stuff. So I'm gonna get that, and that'll be my entry table where I could put like my keys and stuff like that. Cause again, it's just so tight. I was like, maybe I'll put something up there, but I don't know. I'm just too clumsy. I don't want to be like hitting my head and shit coming in. So I'm gonna have an entry table here that'll serve as the girls' cages that I'm having, yeah. And then we come into the dining room. So I was like, oh, I'll be an adult and get a dining room for what? Because I'm not going to eat at a dining room table. Even when I had my kids here, they don't eat at the dining room table. We eat at the couch eating TV or in the rooms, like, so I'm not even going to waste it. I'm not going to do it. So I'm going to have a coffee/bar station here. I'm going to make it a like 2-in-1. And then I'm going to put my desk here. I'm going to just leave that middle part kind of open. At first I was thinking putting the like dogs like water bowls and stuff like there, but I think I'm gonna make them a little area here just so it can be kind of open, because again, I don't want to make the space too tight. Like it's a lot of space. There's no reason for me to make it tight. So yeah. And then here's the kitchen. So new dishwasher. I don't know why the tape and stuff wasn't taken off, but look, toolkit, because your girl about to be back on her Bob the Builder shit, okay? So one thing that hasn't been done yet is the countertops have to be changed. So I am hoping it gets changed before I move in, but we'll see. My new fridge, which I'm excited about. I do need to dump this ice because again, it's new. You gotta dump the first batch of ice, or the first couple batches. And I need to get some baking soda, but this is gonna kill me because like, look, what the fuck? That's gonna irritate me. I gotta figure out, or I don't know, but yeah, so here's the kitchen. It's actually a lot more space than I thought. I don't know why I was thinking this was tighter, but whatever. And then I thought this was black. My counters were black. I don't know, but I'm changing the knobs gold. And then that is actually my faucet in that box. It's gonna be black, because again, I thought my cabinets was black, but it's okay. We're gonna work it out. But once they change the countertops, then I'll put in the black faucet, yeah. And then I'll go to the back. Oh, that wall, the green just looks so good. I'm glad it just really came together. So I did get a 2-bedroom, and I'm excited because this is gonna be my closet/recording room. So I am gonna do it where, of course, it just kind of like wraps around. And then ideally I'll have my vanity here, and then some more stuff that just kind of wraps around. And this wall will be where I'll probably put like a couch or a seating area type thing. I don't know. Like, I know my whole apartment will really be like a recording space the way I want it to be, but I still want to have like a set space for me to record it and stuff. Yeah, this apartment doesn't have a washer and dryer, so I am buying like the portable ones because I don't want to be using everybody's washing and dryer. And then I'm probably going to just hide it in there in that actual closet. But yeah, so yeah, this will be my closet. I'm excited. Basically, this room is going to look like what everyone expects my whole house to look like. Like, vomited pink is going to be in here. Like, I'm really excited. Like, I'm trying to think if I'm gonna paint this pink or not. I don't know. We gonna see. But this will be the last room I do, because I'm gonna start back and work my way up, because I told myself we're gonna do this room by room. We are not gonna go crazy doing everything one by one, because I'm not moving again. I'm so serious. I'm not moving again. We're not doing this. We're gonna get nice stuff. So we gotta get stuff piece by piece. Okay, and this is my linen. We're just gonna get some little covers to put on here. But yeah, this, listen, came together so good. So my tub got reglazed, so they gotta put the things back on, but this looks so good. And I am gonna change these too, of course. Not gold, though. Can't wait to show y'all, but here's the bathroom. Oh, like look at the vintage color gold. Oh, I love it. And then here's my bedroom. I'm gonna take my shoes off because they're on my floors, and I'm probably gonna face my bed this way, I think. I don't know if it's because I just feel so, my ceiling's not that tall, but I feel so short. But I'm gonna face the bed this way, kind of like how the room is now upstairs, because it's the same building, I'm just in a different floor. But I'm probably gonna face the bed this way and have the TV here with like one of the swivel things, because yeah, and I might make that like a little nook, put like a chair there or something. Yeah, I might put a chair there and have my elephants there. And then even though that's the other room's my closet, I might have my dresser in there with like my undergarment type stuff. And yeah, put like a chair here for my Kindle when I want to read little stuff, or just sit, watch TV there. Like just be, you know, drinking my tea to decompress. Yes, I like that. Now that I've said that, that's what I'm gonna do. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. Yeah, I like that idea. So yeah, my bed will be there and I'll have the TV here and put a little chair there. That'll be really cute. So yeah, that'll be my room. And then of course, I'm changing all my outlets. And then I wanna put a curtain, but then it's like, it'll have to be so, like stick out so far to cover that. It's so annoying. I don't know how I'm gonna do that, but yeah. So that's the apartment. So see how good I look next to this ring? Like I knew what I was doing. I did something there. We did something there. Like it looks good. I can't wait. But yeah, so that is my apartment, guys. So yeah, this is literally what I've been doing. Like just trying to decorate and get this together, because that is literally how I'm holding myself together. Like I am not one of them, I bounce back. I'm not bouncing back. I'm not bouncing back. I am not okay. But it's okay, we're gonna be okay. We're gonna get through it, we're gonna listen. It's a journey, it's a journey. But yeah, so I'm excited though, I really am. Like it's weird that this is happening, but it's happening. So you guys have no idea. But I will see you guys next week. We will probably start shopping, because I have stuff, I have a pre-cart, but it's like I know what I want to do, but I'm so scared to do it, because then in a way I feel like it makes it real, even though I know it's real, if that makes sense. I know it's real, but it's just weird. It's so weird. It's like a green screen, right? It's like a green screen. I wonder if I can use this as a green screen. I'm gonna see how that works. So yeah. All right, I'm rambling, but yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys next week. Of course, catch me on the TikTok or Instagram at TheTRB. I'll see you next week. Bye.